Hey, वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। आई एम ईशान शर्मा और आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ 5 बुक्स दैट एवरी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट शुड रीड. Reading is really important. As you can see in the background, I have a lot of books in this bookshelf. I started reading in my 8th grade of school and I really enjoyed the process of just taking a book and learning about the complete story, learning from the character and just taking all the information in. So reading is really beneficial for all of you. और आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कौन सी अच्छी बुक्स हैं जो आप रीड कर सकते हो. अगर आप कॉलेज में हो तो ये बुक्स आपको बहुत बेनिफिट करेंगी. तो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस वीडियो. Also, if you will stick till the very end, I will tell you one very special book that not a lot of people know about but can really help you out a lot. All right? Before that, guys, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and like this video, and let's get started. So the number one book that I think all of you should read if you're in college is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now this is a book written by Robert T. Kiyosaki, and he talks about money and what money really is and how can you create money, what is the difference between an asset and liability. He goes into depth giving his own example of the mentality of the rich versus the poor, and it's not about how much money do you have, but it's the mentality of what are you doing with the money that you earn. Okay, he creates this quadrant where he's explaining whatever money do you get. Most people have the tendency to just spend it on liabilities, whereas the rich mentality person spends it on getting more and more assets. Okay, and he talks about what is an asset, what is the liquidity of an asset. So he just goes into detail talking about which assets are good, which assets are bad. He talks about liabilities and how a liability to one person might be an asset to another person. This will teach you a lot about money, and I think this is one conversation that not a lot of people want to talk about, especially in college. And I think that अगर आप कॉलेज में हो तो आपको डेफिनेटली ये बुक पढ़नी चाहिए. आपको काफ़ी कुछ समझ में आएगा मनी के बारे में और कैसे आप मनी को प्रॉपरली यूज़ कर सकते हो फॉर योर ओन बेनिफिट. ओके, सो डू चेक आउट द बुक. आई हैव लिंक्ड ऑल द बुक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो ऑल ऑफ यू कैन check it out. Okay, so let's move into the next book, and that is The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. Okay, so this book is written by Mark Manson, and he talks about the mentality of focusing on yourself and focusing on the things that you can control, and not thinking and not wasting your energy thinking about things that just won't be controlled by you. Okay, so he just gives you an example of what is happening in the society, how people show off on social media what they don't even have, and they show off their amazing lifestyle which they don't even have right now, and they are just not happy and they are not fulfilled. So he really talks about this complete lifestyle of not giving a damn about what anyone thinks and just focusing on your own work and putting that energy into your own work. This book will really help you out a lot. I think बहुत सारे जो लोग हैं जो कॉलेज में हैं, they really need to understand this concept so that they can stop caring about things that doesn't matter and just focus on thing that matters the most, which is your own work, which is the focused work that you are doing and the amount of time you are taking out to just relax with someone or something. Okay, so a highly recommended book, definitely check it out, link in description. The third book is Ego is the Enemy. Now this is one book that is written by Ryan Holiday. He talks about how ego can destroy us, and he gives examples of when you are in the climb, when you are reaching to your mountain. He talks about how can you resist ego and how can you focus on your work. So a highly recommended book. And then he goes into talking about what can you do when you are at the top of the mountain, when you have achieved the success that you wanted to achieve. How can you stay humble in that point? He gives a lot of examples from the world wars and a lot of other examples of famous leaders that ended up failing because of their ego. And then he also talks about what can you do when you are failing. Okay, when something is not working out, how can you make sure that you stay humble at that point and you don't just curse yourself and you feel bad about yourself. So this is a really amazing book. I really enjoyed it. It's an amazing read. It will teach you a lot about how to stay humble wherever you are. So yeah, highly recommend you to check out this book, because I think that a lot of people in this age group feel that they are bigger than they actually are. Okay, and they have this egoistic self inside of them, which is determined by the number of likes do they get on the post, by the number of followers they have, by the marks that they get, by the money that they make. So this is a great book that will help you navigate through these times when you are, getting a lot of freedom, when you are having just an amazing time to do whatever you want to. So I highly recommend that you read this book. All right. Now the third book is called The One Thing. So this book, The One Thing, is authored by Gary Keller, who is the head of the largest real estate company in the world, Keller Williams. And in this book, he just shares complete knowledge of what all he has learned by looking at the top entrepreneurs and by talking to them. So yeah, I think this is an amazing read. You should definitely pick this book up and completely read this one. You'll learn a lot from it. He has seen in all of those people is the deliberate hours that they put into their one thing, into their one project that they are doing from pretty much their whole life. Okay, and he compares that to the other average people, and he realizes that most of the people are not doing that. We have 5 other things that we want to do. We want to become the best student in college. We also want to become the best competitive coder. We also want to become the best at gymming or something. So the point I'm trying to make here is that you cannot become the best at everything. What you have to do is that you have to find out the one thing that you enjoy doing and then just focus on that, put all of your energy into it. Okay, and that is how you become exceptionally great at one thing. Okay, he gives an example that you cannot become a Mark Zuckerberg who also becomes a Jimi Hendrix when he goes to some night show or something. And so basically the thing is you have to focus on one specific task and then just do that for a long amount of time to see a great result. Okay, so this is what the 4th book is about, The One Thing. Really amazing book. I really enjoyed it. Okay, now the 5th book that I want to talk about is called Hello World by Hannah Frank. So Hannah is actually a mathematician at the Royal Institute in UK, and she talks about artificial intelligence and how it has changed the world around us. Now, it doesn't matter if you are in engineering or if you're in commerce or if you're in arts. This book will teach you a lot about artificial intelligence and how it is impacting our lives. I think you should definitely check out this book. It will teach you a lot. And a lot of you might say that, oh, I'm just not into this field. Well, guess what? The next 10 years is going to be all about artificial intelligence, machine learning. So if you want to, just stay up with the trends and just know what's happening in this industry, you should definitely read this book. She takes us back to the 1980s. She talks about the origins of AI and how it all started and how it has progressed every single time. There's some new invention and how those inventions have led to applications, and the good, the bad, and the ugly of artificial intelligence she has covered in her book. So do check out all of these books. And the one thing that I want to talk about more is, if you want to just read these books, there's actually a much better alternative, and that is to listen to these books using Audible. Audible is a great app that you can use. It is not sponsored. I'm just telling you from my own experience. I've actually listened to these books using Audible and I really enjoy the experience. So I would highly recommend you all to listen to these books using Audible. That way you can finish it much quicker. And so a special book that I want to talk to you about is called Crush It on LinkedIn. This is the book that I myself have written. This will be really helpful to you if you want to advance in your career and if you want to learn how you can leverage LinkedIn to get some amazing opportunities for you. Okay, so you can check out that book. I will put the link in description. It's available on Amazon and on Flipkart. Do check out the book if you enjoy what I'm doing here. And if you want to support me, you might as well buy the book. It's like 100 rupees. So yeah, that was the complete list of books that I would really recommend every single college student to read. Number 1 is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. Number 2 is called as The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. Number 3 is called Ego is the Enemy. Number 4 is called The One Thing. And number 5 is called Hello World. And honorable mention, my own book, Crush It on LinkedIn. The links to all of these books are in the description, so do check it out. If there's one book that I have not discussed, let me know in the comments and just help the community. Okay, and so yeah, I feel that बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि एक बुक खरीदना is not the best investment that they can do, and we would rather waste 500 or 1,000 rupees buying movie tickets and just having a good time versus spend 200-300 rupees to buy a book and then read. Look, the thing is, if you read a book, you can literally just absorb everything that the author has learned in just a span of 10 to 15 hours. Okay, and that author has had has had years of experience, and he's just telling you everything that he has learned into that one book. Can you imagine how crazy that is? It just blows my mind how valuable books can be for you, especially for college students. This is the time for you to learn new mentalities, new ways to looking at the world. So do check out the book. You will learn a lot from them. Link in description. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.